Hello there and welcome back. This video is going to be about, let's say, journey throughout the dashboard that you can see, and about basically the archives and the event logs. So basically, when you open the Rudder web interface, you are met with this dashboard. And on this dashboard, you will find some statistics about the compliance and overall nodes of the compliance, the machine type, the OS type, and the agent version. And this will differentiate based on your infrastructure where this Rudder solution is deployed. And I believe that it's ingenuine as how they put together this part, because from the dashboard you can get to the nodes, check to see about the compliance and stuff like that, and under the utilities you will see the archives. So the archives allow you to specify what to archive and what to restore if you are interested in something that is past your archiving specific date, but you would like to restore to see the, let's say, policy enforcement logs and stuff like that. And you also have the event logs, and the event logs are pretty crucial in this solution because they allow you to see what happens behind the scenes. So basically they are going to give you technical detail, raw detail, as to see what happens with your Rudder infrastructure. And this video was as short as it is. This was all about this information. See you in the next one.